Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife and you are back for another one, baby. And you see the slick back, so you know what this is. It's time for a wig. Boom, boom, boom. So basically we're using this wig that I already have because I really want to try style, but you know, we love a good wig install, so let's get into installing this wig first and foremost. But the style I want to try is like kind of like fringe curtain bangs and then like, you know, layers body. I want to see if I can do that. I mean, I always eat, but let's see if I can eat this time. Okay, so this is the wig. It's already obviously she kind of toe up. But I did really wash and condition her really well, so she's very soft now. But yeah, so let's really just get into it. I'll put if you want the wig link, I'll put it down below because I don't remember. I had this wig for a little while. So yeah, let's just get started.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah.
Bald head, scallywag. This might be the best wig cap I ever did. Not too much on it though. Look back. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Okay.
Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around love, right around the truth, right around the dick. Right around the slap me off the dick. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world.
Alright, we are flat ironed and now it's time to really get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do my edges. Maybe I'll do those separately on the occasion. Let's take this off and see what it gives. Hopefully melt it. Cause alright. Cute. We are doing something. Not too much on the lace.
If you could see it from the phone, you like it, take it
y'all, let's get serious. Now, we have gotten a laid wig, right? Yeah. Edges, yeah. Middle part, yeah. Bust down, yeah. But that's not what we came here for. You know what I mean? We're here for the buying. Yeah. So let's get into that. I think, because I don't really know how to do this, but I feel like it's like it's, I don't know, like I feel like I have to use this part of my hair, right? Yeah, this is it. So we're gonna take out this piece and turn this into like a little mini curtain bang situation. I'm gonna go in to find it. So it's gonna be something like this, right? We're still gonna see a little bit of middle part action, which I don't know where the hell that is. Okay, so let's get it. I don't know if I should twist it, like you know how the girls, I probably do that, cause fuck it, let's see what happens. We're supposed to like bring it down and I'm supposed to twist it, right? And then cut. Let's try that first, okay? And we're gonna do them hella long. We're gonna do it like here. So I twisted it and now I'm cutting it. I ain't cut off too much, but I just want to see what it does. And it's giving nothing. I feel a bump. Okay. I think it's just gonna have to be razor comb action. You feel me? Let's find the center. I think I want it like right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I want, you see how it's like real thin here but thicker here? I'm gonna tweeze this side. Like up in here. Okay, so I like where this is, but for it to be my face, it's gonna have to be shorter. So we're gonna have to go up to, let's try here. Okay. It's something like this. I don't get for. Yeah, I gotta get the baby on slow. Okay, this is not working. Like, I'm gonna be able to do it like that. You know, it's kind of a Fringe thing, but really just. I don't know. I don't really want to. I don't think I want to. Okay. Okay, this is a cute bang. So there's that. Now I'm just gonna put some layers. I'm just gonna put some layers. And we're gonna be done. Might curl it. Let's just see. Just, you know, stay tuned.
Wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these guns like you the Batman, you just wanna pull up in the sun with your best friends, you don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense, get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shy, I ain't giving nothing, you can come for shy, I got plenty things you ain't gonna run for shy, got that extra but needing life with my body, get into it, come out with you.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. Period. Let me beat this face. Ooh. I don't know how y'all do bangs. Just these little things are getting on my nerves. I think I need to cut them more. Maybe tweeze them. Make it less hair. Maybe. I don't know, Chad. I'm doing my very best, but anywho, this is the final look. I did, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. If you know, you know. I'm just making sure shake out here. So, as far as the layers go, I kind of just went in and did my Thug Fizzle. Did what I could do. I showed y'all me doing it, I think. Oof. But yeah, these things I'm gonna have to, it's gonna be some getting used to. Okay, this is the final look. I'm gonna stop tweaking it. But yeah, just I put, well, I tried to just do a lot of layers, the bang, little fringe bang for the win. I don't know, I'm really feeling it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. Obviously, I could just kind of like tuck this behind my ear on some, wait, hold on, let me see. Right, if I wanted to disappear, it could, but you know, bring it back out on these hoes. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. Comment down below in the DMs / comment section and let me know if you like this look. Did I eat it up? Did I eat it up? Let me know. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.